Grandma how you know. Say, Grandma, it's Spider-Man.
Spider-Man!
Whoa, and pajamas or a shirt or something.
What is that?
Spider-Man!
Whoa! And you look,
Spider-Man!
Spider-Man what?
it's a Spider-Man scooter. Holy mackerel.
Wow.
A folding scooter, too. You can, like, put that in the car.
Oh.
Wow, that's a nice one.
You can put that in the
You
car?
can take that to Austin.
Yeah.
Hey, look!
No,
That
put
is
it
cool.
together. Open the box, please.
Open the box.
Can I open it?
Yeah.
Yeah, open
Let's
the
figure
box.
out how to open it here. Let's open it up the right way. Let's see. Here it is, right here. Open it up right here. There you go. Okay, now we'll pull this one out. There you go. Here, dump it out now. Lift it up and dump it out. Okay. There you go. Man. Oh, well, you have a little button you push, I think.